Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skylanders on your Mac. First, understand that Skylanders games were primarily developed for Windows operating systems and various gaming consoles, not Mac OS. Therefore, to enjoy these adventures on your Apple computer, you will need to create a dedicated Windows environment. This process involves setting up your Mac to run Windows, allowing you to install and play your favorite Skylanders titles seamlessly. It's a straightforward process that opens up a world of gaming possibilities. Next, you need to choose how to run Windows on your Mac. You have two primary options: Boot Camp or virtualization software, such as Parallels Desktop. Boot Camp is a free utility from Apple that lets you install Windows natively, offering superior performance for graphics-intensive games like Skylanders. Alternatively, Parallels Desktop allows you to run Windows as a virtual machine directly within Mac OS, providing convenience for switching between systems without rebooting. Consider your performance needs and workflow preferences when making your choice. Once you have chosen your method, the next step is to install the Windows operating system. You will need a legitimate Windows license and an installation file. If using Boot Camp, launch Boot Camp Assistant from your Utilities folder and follow its clear instructions. Ensure you allocate at least 60 gigabytes of disk space for your Windows partition to accommodate the game and future updates. For virtualization software, simply create a new virtual machine and install Windows as prompted. Then install the necessary drivers for your Mac's hardware. Finally, with your Windows environment ready, you can install your Skylanders game. Insert the game disk or download the digital version and follow the installation wizard. Crucially, connect your Skylanders portal of power to an available USB port on your Mac. Windows should automatically detect and install the necessary drivers for the portal. If not, you may need to install them manually from the game disk or online. Once everything is set up, launch the game. Place a Skylander figure on the portal and embark on your adventure.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.